Good morning, students. Welcome back to Maths class. Have you all done your Maths homework? Yes. Solutions for the previous day home assignments are given at the end of this session. In the previous class, we have learnt about prime factors. Let us have a small recap. Which is the only even prime number? Yes, the number 2 is the only even prime number. Whether 1 is a prime number? No. The number 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Define the working rule to find the prime factors. The prime factors of a natural number n is obtained by successive division starting with 2 or 3 until the last factor becomes a prime number. In today's class, we are going to learn about factor 3. Every natural composite number n can be written as the product of at least two distinct factors, say a and b. That is, n is equal to ab. This can be represented by means of a diagram. The natural composite number n can be written as the product of at least two distinct factors. If a and b are prime numbers, then this is the only representation of n. On the other hand, if a is a prime and b is a composite number, then b can be written as the product of two distinct factors, say c and d. A is a prime number and b is a composite number. B can be written as the product of two distinct factors, c and d. We can extend this idea until all the factors become prime number. This diagram is called factor 3. Let us solve the example. Draw factor trees for 90. Start with two tables. When you divide 90 by 2, you get the answer as 45. Here 2 is the prime number. So you can stop this one here itself. Now here 45 is a composite number. Again you divide this one. Start with 3 tables. Here 3. When you divide 45 by 3, you will get the answer as 15. 15 3s are 45. Here 3 is a prime number and 15 is a composite number. So again you have to divide into two distinct factors. 3 5s are 15. Now you have reached the prime numbers. So these are all prime. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So the factors of 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So the another way of solving this one is start with 5 tables. 5 18s are 90. Again do it with 2 tables. 2 9s are 18. Now 3 3s are 9. Now the factors are 90 is equal to 5 into 2 into 3 into 3. So these are the two different ways, but you reach the answer same. 2 here also 2, 2 times 3 here also 2 times 3, and 1 5 here also there is 1 5. This shows that any composite number has unique prime factors. Exercise 1.10, first Roman letter, draw factor trees for the following composite numbers. So the question is 144. Let us solve this one. 144. Start with two tables. 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. So again divide this 72 by 2 tables. 2 into 36 is equal to 72. So again do it with 2 tables. 2 18s are 36. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. Now you have reached the prime factors. So the factors of 144 is equal to 4 times 2 and 2 times of 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, or you can write it as 4 times of 2 into 2 times of 3. Is it clear, children? Yes. Question 190. Start with two tables. When you divide 190 by 2, what will be the answer? Yes, 95. Divide this by 5 tables. 5 into 19 is 95. Now these are all prime numbers. We cannot simplify this one further. So you can stop it here itself. The factors of 190 is equal to 2 into 5 into 19. Is it clear, children? Yes. Students, you can copy down today's home assignment now. Students, you can check the solutions for previous day home assignment. Thank you.